Statement 36. Help those that want to be helped. When you love someone or have a caring heart, you feel compelled to lend a helping hand. You want people to be at a higher level than they are, because we all know that being depressed or going through a hard time is not fun. However, some people want to live in that struggle. Some people want to wallow in that depression or need professional help and don't have the desire to seek it. And that's okay. That isn't your story. You don't have the obligation to fix everything wrong in someone else's life. Trying to do so will only drain you of your energy. It's like throwing your well-earned money into a deep black pit. Change begins with the desire to change. It requires an internal mindset shift. And you can't force someone to do that. You really can't even help someone to do that unless they want to be helped. So do yourself a favor and focus on helping yourself. You will be of much greater service that way.